I'm playing this, I realized I could play these games and just get bare recordings and put out bare of the stupid titles I have. Anyway, this game got an update and the event changed. There's a solo one. Tuber trouble. Yeah, jacket. I can play Toon Tone. I got Toon Tone. I play Scopa. Stupid little soccer game. Jacket goes here. We're sitting under a tree. A fallen over tree. Feels in Zelda right now. Jacket, is this cool? Jacket has his little snake toy. He picked it out. Jackie, you picked out that toy. That's your toy. It was a fox, a snake, or sunglasses, and he's like, the snake. Tied in 2 knots. Too big trouble. With the augmenting VATs having exhausted Parma's resources, focus has shifted to the FSTMS division and further testing of the PMG-1340. Oh man, the PMG-1340, oh my god. Our next large update is making steady progress. For all the latest leaks, be sure to join our Discord server. Okay. Dude, where's the frickin' volume? Nah. Oh gosh. Old client version. Where's the noise? There better be noise when I start this. Oh. It's because I'm talking. When the mic is psyched, the shike is fiked. Oh, this is potato mode. From the old Surviv. This game used to be years ago, then it shut down. They announced it on my birthday that they're shutting it down, like years ago. And they... Oh! Then someone brought it back up. Damage taken, 100. All I did was die in this game. It used to be Survivio, not Survevio, but it was just someone like remaking it on their own with the code and stuff because it was too cool. Hi, Jackito, we're gonna go soon, okay. Jackito is a good boy, and he was smelling a doggy's pee-pee on the floor, and then all of a sudden the pee-pee went on his beard. Ew, Jackito. And then he found a puddle of water, and he got to smell the water and clean his beard. Good boy, Jackito. And it was all on his paws. Good boy, Jackito. There's potatoes everywhere. The thing I don't get is the ammo for that one. Potato mode. There's just potatoes everywhere, as you could see. If you punch it, you get something. Ooh, the pan. Yo, this is... I'm not... If you melee a potato, you get a different melee weapon. If you shoot it, you get a different gun. See, there's potatoes floating everywhere. Look. Hit it out of the air. Pa. Okay, Jackito, hello. Oh my gosh, Jackito, what the? He got no treats and he didn't even want to eat it. Okay, we're going, Jacket. See the pan? It's like a level 4 armor. But and it ricochets off that. So I wanted to keep that pan. Like one of the police stations. Oh, someone tried. Oh gosh. He had the freaking gun as me that was better than me. Okay, I like squads because it's funny. Hopefully I'm not talking too quiet. Last one I couldn't hear myself sometimes. Jackito. Is life loco? Loco Rico. Jackito going Loco Rico right now in the freaking grass. He's spinning around. He's floating around. He's rolling around in the grass. He's going a crazy grass. Jacket's a survivor. Oh, the pesky guy. Look at John Wick reference. Boom, boom, John Wick, and get the John Wick slap up and get the John Wick close. You're really slappy. You're really clappy and slappy. You get the smoke grenades too, because first thing sometimes you get to hear him. So where is he? Mikey Turtle, why you butt ass naked, bro? I think Mikey Turtle freaking went up this way. Mikey Turtle, who's in here? Mikey Turtle, what happened, bro? The bum. Let's go. The back of the bum, bro. Okay, maybe my hand is covering the mic. Mikey Turtle just dies. Brothers. There's a Mikey Turtle death. We must avenge the brother. Mikey Turtle just ended up dead right as he left my sight. Like when a baby leaves your sight for 3 milliseconds and they already rule the world. Oh, Jackito, okay, we're gonna go soon. Oh no! Forget this. Oh yeah, we won. It was a duo and I was testing the sound to like see if my voice worked with the AirPods. And we won. And I was like, I should have recorded this. Where is yellow? Oh my god. When the squad splits up, I want to... One time my name, you can only fit like that many characters. Mendigo Corleone. That's why there's no space, because it's exactly that many characters. One time I put my name, it was like, one faggot always leaves group. Or like... stay in the group or something. But I said one faggot always leaves group. Okay, we'll play solo. Put this shit up. I'll talk loud. So who's this? You know how brass knuckles like me and he's beating my ass. You know how brass knuckles like me and he's beating my ass. He's naked. He's got gloves on. He's naked as hell. Oh shit. Bro, he was gifted a sword of doom for beating my bum. I'm always looking around if there's people listening. I'm in a pretty secluded area. Jackito's just exploring. I swear I'm gonna beat this man. Okay. How the fuck? Oh! Oh. Ew, that's actually get a worse one. Okay, this is kinda good, All I gotta do is get a stupid ass.
Technical. Are you a super master? Actually, that thing is kind of good. This thing is slightly.
In Africa, while trying to play this game, like that AFK to went to Africa, like bro, that's a game to play. Hey, where's my... use this thing? I don't know. Hey, Jack's playing with this little snake toy. He's a good boy, just shrunk. What the perk? These perks are oh, okay, this is the one shot. This is the arm. One, oh man, I can't keep covering the mic with my hands. Dude, give me health. I feel like I'm covering the mic with my hands, but I don't know. Probably not. I have not been in a fight. Why? Because I want health. Someone's gonna be sniped. Okay, I got this, I got this, I got this. Yo, who has the... This is the PMG motherfucker? Oh shit. No, the PMG motherfucker was right there, bro. That was a minigun. They already have a minigun with the blue ammo. Oh, top 10 in solos. I actually became top 10 in that solo for doing nothing and killing a man AFK in Africa. All I did was run around, you know. That's scary, bro. Exactly, you should have seen what happened. The guy pulled out a freaking granglong. No, it was crazy. It was crazy. He hit the tomato, hit the potato, and then slap that guy. And hit that flashlight. Jacket. Yo, this man's clapped. I actually clapped him. I killed I Love Jesus. I'm not playing this game anymore. Solo rank 31. I'm gonna try to get this quest and then I'm done with this. Then I'm uploading this to YouTube with the next stupid title that I have. And my stupid title is that I've been making for years. I don't even know what it was. Oh yeah, I saw the next one. It was about like a... killed Gay Boy. I killed Gay Boy. He just stopped. He's like, fuck it. Dude, you could have ran away. I don't understand. Like, I suck with this thing. Even this thing. Yo, they gave me the Naginata. The black one. This one's like stronger or something. I got 3 Naginatas in a row. Oh shit. That red guy is lucky he got away. I saw him spawn in thinking he was sick like that. Jacket. Bro, you have to go the other way. Oh, Jacket, I cannot deal with you right now. Jacket, you got tangled. Bro, this guy thinks he's a slap. This guy thought he was the fuck up. Bro, you're not the fuck up. Whoever fucking dropped that airdrop. And I didn't even reload. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. I can't fuck with him. So I'm fucking popping his shit through this window like a. Oh my god, my thing's on the. Jacket, you gotta come back around. Yee. Yo. He's trying to ambush this. Any money. Dang, I don't know why I tried. He had the friggin' I was almost top 10. Good boy, Jacket. Jacket's an outside man. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? I'm running because it just gave me the shittiest shit. Drop this bitch. So when I pick up this gun, you fucking slap right now. Oh no. He's not slapped. He has a fucking perk. But I don't know what to do right now. I think I gotta get that smoke. Yeah, exactly, dude. Oh! Of all things? Fuck out here, exactly. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god, I thought it was bad. I thought it was bad like that. But I thought it was Michael Jackson bad. When he started running away, I was like being like a gangster who like starts popping the gun like da 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 when they're like driving away and shit. But he came back. He came back. Bro, he slid back instantly. He slid back instantly with friggin' military grade, special issue, high caliber, Secret Service, experimental weaponry. No, that wasn't even experimental. There's actually experimental weaponry in this. I think it's like this game is like getting all the updates. Like Survivio had updates and the same events. I don't know. I think it's all doing the same order of shit. Because there was this event that was like. There was like this space one or something, a space event, moon, laser guns. Jackie, you really tangled? No, you're okay. Of course. Gunfight. And now he's coming. Got the white clothes, please. You can't kill me with the white clothes. Beat his ass. Beat his ass. No, bro. Of course I didn't fucking get the gun. Bro, he had adrenaline. Good boy, Jackito. Oh no, Jackito, no! Let's see if I could do it from here. Okay. Oh dang, oh dang. Oh dang. Oh shit. Ah! How long has this been going? Anthony, he's a cool guy. How long has this been going? I don't know how long this been going. Check it though. What the? Is that a cool stick? Yee! Okay, I'm playing one more. I'm gonna make sure this is the 10th. Cool stick, yo! Top 10. Get a dang pirate hook. That's me. That's me in the white. You got the white now. It's over. Tried to run and my thumb came off the run thing. Everybody laugh. Point laugh. Oh. Jack me I'm gonna win top 10 and swans. Jackie Paul, that's a cool stick. Boom boom man. Bro, those are S tier guns. Fuck them. Bro, he gets an S tier gun after an S tier gun? What an S tier gun. All he did was throw one gun away basically. He had the dual wield S tier guns, and he had the solo wield S tier gun. Jackie Paul, I got a potato in my hand. I'm gonna break someone's window with this potato. Fuck you. Fuck my window. Okay, we getting top 10 in this. Solo. All I gotta do is walk around. Dude, I swear. That video is probably banned or deleted. Like some of the titles I wrote are mental. It's just like purely like there's this like godly wisdom, like God can be in my shorts, and everything else. I don't know if and then everything else is just titles, and like just some of them are just retarded. Like the first thing I think, I'm just like, this is a title. I just write it. I don't even care. I don't even care how stupid, bad it sounds. So like, and I don't care about YouTube's language barrier and whatever the frig. So it's gonna be mental. The window, blow everything up. Self, I killed you, self. Ooh, scavenger. Scavenger is like everything has something, yeah. Everything gives me something. And then there's Master Scavenger, and everything gives you like the most high tier shit. You like level 3 armor, level 3 everything. Dude, hide in this toilet. It's fucked. Dude, why did you come right when I blew myself up, bro? You like that stick jacket? That's an epic stick. Holy moly. That's a good boy, but we have to go through. Okay, I'm not sweat banning, I'm tripping, I'm not even fucking paying attention because there's a billion people. I'm like, do I sound fucking mentally handicapped? Talking to this phone like a crazy psycho, Geico. In the bathroom. No, are you serious? I guess that was Ryan Gosling. That was literally Ryan Gosling in the motel scene, and I was the bitch asshole who came through the window. I thought I was Ryan Gosling in that part. Nah. That guy was like, I drive. Bro, he's wearing the white jacket too and everything. Is this dress... I'm gonna stab this guy. Dude, that guy had the fucking mental handicap perk. I don't even know what that perk was. Is this dress black or gold or red or 3? Is this dress 9 or blue or 5 or burgundy? Because he had the blue scorpion. Bro, that was actually... Yo, that was literally Ryan Gosling jacket. I met Ryan Gosling. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know we're gonna go soon. Oh my gosh, squatchy. Okay, buddy, okay. We're gonna go. Hi. Is everything local? We go get water, we go get treats, we go get meats. Bro, you're not fucking coming out of this alive. Are you fucking kidding? Dang. Oh shit, and now right away I have to leave. Dude, that was the closest shit ever made. We in the water, this is like D-Day. Look at those trying to pull his dang leash handle that's under my foot. He doesn't want to be here anymore. He's like, okay, Devin. This cool Zelda place is not fun anymore. Jacket, after this game, we go home. Let's hope I get top 10 or top 1 jacket. This gonna be lit. It's gonna be fit. Swag, we got swag, we got swag, we got swag. What kind of swag? Woodland Combat, bro. We swagging now. This is like my bomber jacket. We got my bomber jacket. Jacket, chill. We got E. Okay, we're gonna go. Bro. You want to sit up with me? We can't sit up here. This is crazy. Okay, I'll come down. Jacket, wait. Come. Bro, chill. I got the freaking Sergeant Reznov machete. Okay, jacket. On mobile, these are OP. I don't care what anyone says. PC, these are friggin' F tier, D tier, dick tier, ball tier. Mobile, these shits are suck a ball tier. I mean, wait, what? On mobile, these are S tier. This gun's fucking crazy. Oh shit, there's a... Bro, I need that. How did I miss that? I'm gonna get top 10 just by fucking around. Okay, let's find people to slap. The time has come to actually go out into the world. I wanted to play this with my brother on his stream. And we go, and it's Buddha and Jesus. We name ourselves Buddha and Jesus. One time, when I was like when this was still Survival, when it was still Survival, holy, and I was like addicted to this game. This game just came back though, and I'm addicted to it again, I think. Not as much as back then. I was in Japan, just playing this all day, all the time. I'll just go to the vending machines, get freaking like 40 energy drinks, milk teas, and coffees, and just sit and go loco on this game, and just be like adrenaline rush when it's like 1v1. Like, yo, you don't understand, bro. The adrenaline rush came crazy, and then just either dying on 1v1, punching the air for anger, or punching the air for joy when I won. And then one time it was just a guy. Oh no, that wasn't Japan. That was a different time. When I was facing 1v1 at the end, Jesus. It was me versus Jesus. And he was wearing the black clothes, and I was like, holy crap, it's me versus Jesus. Okay, Jackito. Mwah. I kissed Jackito on his eye. We're gonna go soon. Jackito's a little puppy. Dude, there's so many good guns. This is one of my favorites. I think I want this. Where is everyone? Jacket. Ooh. Okay, there's so many psycho guns. Someone must have Master Scavenger. Bruh, what the fuck? I still got top 10. But did nothing the whole game. See, he has a... Spectate this, man. He has the camouflage costume. Yo, that guy had the PNG and BNFM. Oh, the potato minigun. That's what it is. I'm guessing this guy's gonna win because he's local crack. One time there was a guy named Local Crack. Jackito, did you eat your treats? You ate them both? Good boy. Oh no, you didn't eat them both. Do you like those treats? V. Oh! Oh, he got the experimental weaponry, bro. Oh my god, he missed the 8 scope. Oh shit. Oh. G-Baba. G-Baba won the game. Play new game. Well, that's that, folks. I'm out this mofo.